uh, Camtasia Studio, slow motion, how you can speed up a video. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So now let me add the video right here. Here we have a video. So what you need to do, let's watch this video, the start. Now let's see this part of the video. Okay, now tab on S. Okay, tab on S and now you can tap on yes to cut the video, or you can right click on this and now tab on split selected, and okay, this part of the video, we want to slow down. Okay, now he jumps. Alright, perfect. Now tab on S, and here we have this part that we want to slow down, put it in slow motion. Okay, now we need to go to visual effects. If you can't see video effects, just tab on more, and now you'll see here visual effects, and here you need to grab this clip speed and put it on this part of that you want to slow down. And now you need to take this and make it longer. Okay, and now as you can see, it's more in slow motion, but because I have more programs, it's pretty lucky. But let's make it even more than 2 seconds. Okay, if you really want to be in slow motion, you need to make it more, around 3 seconds or even more. I think that's too much. Obviously, it's not the best slow motion out there, that's for sure, but that's what you can do with Camtasia, I guess. But I mean, it's pretty good if you want just something more basic. You know, and that's how you do it pretty much. Okay guys, so now the video without slow motion, and now the video with slow motion. Okay, as you can see now, beginning is not, and then slow motion. I think that's not bad, right? That's not really bad. You can even add more slow motion to the video. Let's add like around 3 seconds. As you can see now, with even like with 3 seconds slow motion. Okay, that's not bad, right? Slow motion and then fast video, normal. This is the original video, and this with slow motion. Can even add more. Let's add. By the way, you need to drag the video to make it. Don't do it from here. Do it from here. Okay, around even almost 6 seconds, guys. Let's see now. Okay, now the slow motion is 6 seconds. By the way, you can add, this is 30 FPS, but to make your video better, please add 60 FPS, okay? As you can see, I think that's a little better and not bad, right? So that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Camtasia Studio, slow motion. I hope this video helped you. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial, in this next how-to video. Thank you.